In this video, we'll be dividing fractions by whole numbers. So we have 6/8 divided by 2. Let's start by thinking of division as sharing. If you have 6/8 of a pizza and you want to share it equally between 2 people, it's like splitting it in half. So we have 3 out of 8 slices for one person and 3 out of 8 slices for the other person. So we can see that the answer is 3/8. Look at what's happening here. We're only dividing the numerator by the whole number, and the denominator stays the same. Let's have a look at another example, but here's the shortcut that we'll use from now on. Divide the numerator by the whole number and keep the denominator the same. So we have 6/10 divided by 3. So the numerator, 6, divided by 3, equals 2. The denominator stays the same, so we have 2/10. We can go one step further here and use our knowledge of simplifying to get 1/5. I'm going to work through 4 different examples. Feel free to pause the video at any time if you'd like to try these yourself before we go over the answers. Here's the first one. 8/9 divided by 4. So the numerator, 8, divided by 4, is 2. The denominator stays the same, so we have 2/9. Here's the next example. 8/12 divided by 2. So the numerator, 8, divided by 2, equals 4. The denominator stays the same, so we have 4/12. We can go one step further here and use our knowledge of simplifying to get 1/3. Here's another example. 3/5 divided by 3. So the numerator, 3, divided by 3, equals 1. The denominator stays the same, so we have 1/5. Here's the last example. 15/18 divided by 5. So the numerator, 15, divided by 5, which is 3. The denominator stays the same, so we have 3/18. We can go one step further here and use our knowledge of simplifying to get 1/6.